Okay, guys, I just deleted a load of memory there. I should probably do it. Sorry for this. I'm gonna go and get changed. I think they know that bitch. Alright, what for some reason I still have to curse in every single one of my sentences. Sick as any. Stop the taping. Going good so far. Okay, outfits. Now this. Alright, do I need a car for my garage? Take up down. Oh, lads. No, I'm not gonna damage this one. I'll use this one. Oh, it's too. This one pass well. I'll use this one. I just saw a bike. Hit million cars over here. You cunt. Shit, sorry. I need to. Can't rob the shop in there now. Probably suburban next to no, I'm just gonna find the line. Okay, here it is, lads. The Great Heist. And it's just a little robbery to make it like nothing. Oh, I'd have to go outside first, do I? Yeah. I forgot what I was going in there for. I thought I was going to buy clothes. And I was like, oh wait, I'm not. I'll use this. Right. Okay, here goes. Oh, shot her and all. I didn't even mean that.